Earth's natural cycles have inspired the design of Gardens by the Bay. On Earth, water is continuously circulated. This process is driven by the sun. By mimicking nature, we can be more sustainable by reducing our impact on the environment. Plants depend on sunlight to make food for themselves. Gardens by the Bay is also powered by the sun. Instead of leaves, the super trees have solar cells that generate electricity from sunlight. The power collected in the day can light the super trees at night. Today, as solar cells become more affordable, more cities and people can directly harness the sun's energy. We can also generate electricity by harnessing the wind and waves as sustainable sources of energy. The more clean energy we use, the less we need to rely on fossil fuels, reducing the impact to our planet. Water management. While much of the earth is covered by water, only a small amount is fresh. Fresh water is formed as water evaporates and is carried as clouds, and falls back onto the land as rain. Gardens by the Bay is able to sustainably meet its water needs by capturing rainwater. Runoff from the grounds is filtered through planter beds into storage ponds, providing water all year round for the extensively planted gardens. One of the greatest threats cities face is a lack of fresh water. We can reduce this risk by better managing our water resources. Water-efficient showers and toilets reduce our water usage. Wastewater can be filtered for reuse, while rainwater can be captured. We can also reduce the energy costs associated with treating wastewater by introducing natural filters like reeds or mangrove ponds as the first step in the treatment process. By taking lessons from nature, we can save water and reduce our impact on the natural world. Recycling resources. Another lesson we can learn from nature is how resources are retained and recycled within an ecosystem. In addition to sunlight and water, plants need nutrients to grow. As leaves and other plant parts fall to the ground and decompose, their nutrients are released to the soil and can be captured and reused again. In a similar fashion, we capture the energy from fallen and pruned trees across the island. We use them as fuel to generate electricity. This electricity drives the chilling system, which cools the garden's domes. In our cities, we consume vast amounts of energy and resources, generating excessive waste that's harmful to the environment. By finding ways to reduce, reuse and recycle materials, and by converting waste to energy, we can be more sustainable by managing our resources wisely and taking less from nature.